what's going on, you guys? It's Olivia here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about AZ Cash Code and its official launch on the 4th March 2022. And we're going to break down exactly parallel profit, how you get access to it, and how you can also get access to my bonuses. So here's some of my earnings. That is $150,000 in just 8 to 12 months without any investment, just working 1 hour a day. So I follow the strategies by Vitasite course, which is worth $5,000, but I will give you for free as bonuses. You just need to watch this video till end where I give you how to access the bonuses. So let's review on AZ Cash Code. AZ Cash Code is the first system to send us Amazon gift card codes for free. It's $50 to $100 every hour. Once you have received the codes, you can simply copy them and paste them into your Amazon account. Instead of wasting your time, I'm going to show you a real fail-proof method for earning online. Updated for 2022, this is the best you've ever seen. This page is a lucky one. What you are about to see is different from all the rest. It is light years ahead of affiliate marketing, solo ads, high-ticket sales, e-commerce, and cryptocurrency. This is something that you have never seen before. I swear it will work, even if it doesn't for anyone else. It's finally here, the world's first system that gives us 50 to 100 Amazon gift card codes for free every hour, like clockwork. This is not another normal way to make money online. It will make it easy for you to become rich. It is, however, a system that gives us 50 to 100 Amazon gift card codes every hour, 100% free. We don't need to pay anything, which gives us free Amazon items. This is us. To make sure it worked for everyone, they gave access to AZ Cash Code to a small group of beta testers. You know what happened next? Results. All participants received a $50 to $100 Amazon gift card for free. William received 5 Amazon gift cards worth $100 each, so that's $500. Alexis received $150 in Amazon gift cards within 60 minutes. Wesley is a great guy, but why on earth is Amazon giving us his gift cards for free? Let's face it, Amazon is not a charity. They're a business. They're in business to make money, just like any other business. These gift cards are not intended to be nice. Why are they happy to hand over $50 to $100 gift certificates over and over? Here's the reason. Amazon pays us because we bring them new customers. Customers are essential for all businesses. Amazon is no exception. They'd be lost without customers. It's very simple. Amazon makes more money by helping us. They also give us $50 to $100 Amazon gift card codes that we can redeem to our Amazon account at any time. They can be used on whatever we wish. Amazon's one-click technology allows us to send 1,000 of new customers to get endless 50 to 100 gift codes. Introducing AZ Cash Code. This is how it works. You're just 3 steps away from receiving $50 to $100 Amazon gift cards. Step 1. Access. You can access AZ Cash Code online from your computer or mobile phone. It works on any device. Step 2. Activate. Turn on one-click customer shipping technology. Amazon pays us for sending them new customers. Step 3. Redeem. You'll be sent $50 to $100 gift cards every hour. Simply redeem the codes and that's it. You can get access to AZ Cash Code now by clicking the link in the description below with my bonuses. My bonuses are really worth it. Details are given at the end of review. Features of AZ Cash Code. It is easy to use, even if you are a beginner. This system will give you everything you need in order to get results right away. AZ Cash Code works anywhere in the world. AZ Cash Code can be used wherever there is an internet connection and a computer. It will work wherever you are, whether you're in Kenya or India, the USA, Mexico, or any other country. It takes just a few clicks to activate AZ Cash Code. This is so simple, even a 10-year-old could do it. It's legal to do. Amazon is literally forcing them to give us 50 to 100 gift card codes. No hidden fees or strings. There is no need to purchase expensive equipment. None of that junk. They provide everything you need. AZ Cash Code does not require upsells. This is a fully integrated service that includes everything you need. It works on any device. The application is compatible with all devices that are connected to the internet. This applies to Windows, Mac, Android, and iPhone, as well as any other tablet or phone that can connect online. What AZ Cash Code can do for you? 100% new. The brand new AZ Cash Code system is yours to use to get $50 to $100 Amazon gift card codes. One-click customer shipping technology. This is AZ Cash Code's most important feature. Amazon offers gift card codes that can be used to send new customers free of charge. Mobile Edition. You can use AZ Cash Code from any mobile device, whether it is an Android, iPhone, or tablet. AZ Cash Code step-by-step training videos. In the rare event that you need help setting up anything, there are a series step-by-step videos that will provide you with detailed instructions from A to Z. So if you find that this is a good fit for you and want to take some action, I've got some really cool bonuses that I'm going to give you, and you can click the link in description to check out AZ Cash Code and also to get access to my bonuses. So, if you buy from my affiliate link below in description, you're going to get access to a full 5 different Make Money online courses that I personally used and make a huge income per month on autopilot, and I live like my own boss. So first bonus is YT Supremacy by Vid Society. Why you need to get YT Supremacy right now as bonuses. YT Supremacy is a brand new training course that teaches you how to build authority YouTube channels to dominate your niche for promoting affiliate products or even your own products and services. This is a 100% newbie-friendly method. It will show you the exact method we use to earn $1,000 per month from affiliate marketing on YouTube. Learn how to rank videos in YouTube and Google to get more free traffic. You don't need to show your face in camera. You don't need hosting, a website, or an email list. Free traffic, no paid ads. Become an authority, recognized professional and trusted video marketer in your niche. Today's work can reward you for years to come. And see how people are making money on autopilot using the same strategies with YouTube. It's very easy to do to get the income. I am sure this is worth a $1,000 course, but you are very lucky that you are accessing it for free, and it can be for a limited period. So our second bonus is WP Affiliate Suite by Vid Society. Why you need to get WP Affiliate Suite now as bonuses? Because you will discover the exact method Chris has been using since 2013 that earns him 6 figures a year building and ranking affiliate sites using WordPress. The exact WordPress plus affiliate marketing system Chris has been using for years to earn 6 figures over and over promoting other people's products. Have you been asking yourself these questions? I don't understand affiliate marketing. Will this teach me? Yes, and a whole lot more, even if you're a complete newbie. You just found the only course you need to build an affiliate business. I've never built a WordPress website. What do I do? No problem. I'll show you step by step, plus you can use my custom WordPress affiliate marketing WordPress theme to make it super easy to get started. In fact, I show you step by step as you watch me build out a brand new affiliate site and rank #1 for multiple product reviews. Is this sustainable, reliable, and long-term? It can be if you do it right. And that's what I'm going to teach you. Some of my websites I built back in 2012 are still bringing in affiliate commissions today. I work and have a family. Will this take up a lot of time? This is not a get-rich-quick course, but if you can dedicate 5+ hours a week, then this is for you. So finally, I reveal my earning that is around $150,000 in just 6 months by using these simple strategies which are shown in. You just need to duplicate the success on your own. You don't need any investment or need to work the whole time. Just spend 1 hour a day or 5 to 20 hours in a week, then it's for you. Just buy through the link in the description and get access to the bonuses for free. And thanks for watching our AZ Cash Code review. Good luck! Good luck!